Today on Book Review in a Minute, we dive into Value Investing, From Graham to Buffett and Beyond by Bruce Greenwald. This book is a cornerstone for anyone interested in understanding the principles of value investing, a strategy popularized by legends like Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett. Greenwald provides a thorough examination of value investing, starting with its origins with Graham, the father of value investing. He explains Graham's fundamental concepts such as the intrinsic value of stocks and the margin of safety, which remain essential for investors even today. The book then transitions to Warren Buffett, who expanded on Graham's ideas. Greenwald highlights how Buffett's approach focuses not just on undervalued companies, but on those with sustainable competitive advantages and strong management teams. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of patience and discipline. Value investing is not about quick wins, but about long-term growth and stability. Greenwald also explores contemporary applications of value investing principles, making this book relevant for today's market. Value Investing, From Graham to Buffett and Beyond is an invaluable resource whether you are a novice or a seasoned investor. It not only covers the history and evolution of value investing, but also offers practical advice for applying these principles in the current economic climate. Thank you for watching Book Review in a Minute. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and insightful book reviews.